Look at this, we are in twin bed configuration in the 2027 Vegas 26.2. You want to make that into your wall-to-wall, you flip the table, you move the cushions, and look at that. Now we have a wall-to-wall bed in which I can fit and store all of my goodies in this brand new decor, crushed silk, urban clay. It is wonderful. So is the size of this closet. But the table for the front stores here, the table for the theater seats and sofa store in there, clothes in there, bathroom in here. We have a shower, we have a toilet, a sink, a medicine cabinet. We have hooks for all of your coats and robes and whatever else it is you need. We have a 12-volt fridge over here, 2-burner gas cooktop, sink, flip-up countertop extension, pop-up outlet with USB charging, convection microwave with an air fryer button, and right over here, theater seats. You're gonna have 2 seat belts here. Kick back, relax. You need more sleeping, then get yourself the sofa. You can get sleeping up to 5 in here. Yeah, 2 back there. Optional overhead bunk and sofa if you want. Then we get right into our driver's seat. This is pretty sweet. Massive screen, all the goodies there. We have SiriusXM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless by the way. We have a V8 under the hood, and I want to show you an awesome look outside. Check that out. Brand new front cap on our Vegas. Great look up front, great look along the side. This is our black diamond edition paint. That is optional. You have the Girard armless awning up top, blacked out mirrors, blacked out wheels, blacked out logos, even blacked out handles for our slam latch storage bay doors. All the way around, rotocast material, lots of goodies for you to bring along, whatever it is, load them in here, plug something into here. How about maybe dinner? Look at that exterior propane connection, griddle, fire pit, tankless hot water, exterior hose, and even another large pass-through storage bay on here. So what are you gonna store in here? Maybe something good for that bed.